Choosing an investment before defining the goal is like buying a plane ticket before choosing the destination. You may move fast and still end up in the wrong place. In the next few minutes, we will build a goal-based plan from 4 numbers, stress test it, and turn it into a monthly action you can actually use. Meet Noor. She wants $30,000 for a 6-month career break, 8 years from now. She already has $4,000. Before investing for that goal, she keeps bill money and an emergency buffer separate. If every surprise forces her to sell, the investment plan is fragile from day one. Now, put Noor's goal on a runway. The destination is $30,000. The runway is 8 years. The fuel already loaded is $4,000. The final control is the assumed return, but this is a test setting, not a forecast. At a 5% annual return, compounded monthly, Noor would need about $204 a month. At 2%, she needs about $243. At 7%, about $179. Higher assumed returns make the monthly number look easier, but they do not make the goal safer. A useful plan asks whether the contribution still works when the result is less friendly. What if $243 is too much? Noor has 4 honest levers. She can lower the target, extend the deadline, increase the monthly contribution when her income rises, or accept more investment risk only if her timeline and finances can genuinely carry it. The calculator is a decision tool, not a machine for choosing the rosiest return. Next, match the investment mix to the runway. Money needed in a year or two has little recovery time after a market fall, so access and stability usually matter more. Money for a distant goal may have more room for diversified growth and short-term price swings. 8 years is not tomorrow, but it is not retirement either. Noor needs a mix that respects both growth and the date when the money must be ready. Risk has 2 breaks. The first is comfort, how calmly Noor reacts when markets fall. The second is capacity, whether her plan survives that fall. If a drop would cancel the career break or force a sale at the wrong time, capacity is the tighter break. Feeling brave does not lengthen the runway. Then diversify. One company, one country, or one fashionable theme can turn a life goal into a single bet. Diversification spreads exposure across different investments. A broad fund may help, but its name alone proves nothing. Noor still checks what it holds, how concentrated it is, and what fees apply. Diversification can reduce some risks. It cannot prevent every loss. As the deadline approaches, the runway gets shorter. Noor can set review points now, for example, once a year and after a major life change. She checks the target, deadline, contribution, fees, and actual balance. If the goal is close, she can gradually move more of the money toward lower volatility, accessible holdings. That is planned de-risking, not reacting to every scary headline. Then, she automates the contribution just after payday. Automation makes the plan repeatable, while the annual review keeps it relevant. If the numbers drift, she adjusts the plan, not the past. Remember 3 things. First, start with the goal and deadline, not a product. Second, stress test the monthly amount instead of trusting one return. Third, let time horizon and risk capacity shape the mix. Then, reduce risk as the goal approaches. The Free Finance 101 Investment Goal Planner V2 lets you change the target, starting amount, years, and return scenarios, compare the monthly contribution, and build a review runway. Use conservative assumptions and include fees, taxes, and inflation where relevant. This is general education, not personal financial advice. Investing involves risk, including possible loss. Give the money a destination before you choose the vehicle.